I would have loved to sing, but I'm not as good as my brother Jerry was. So I am going to sing through the reading of the verses I have with me here before we start praying. Number 1, it's from Psalms 107, verses 1. It says, "Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever." We are here present because of the love of God. And we will be until kuze kufike ilanga lokufa komunye wethu, and until kuze kuqhamuke isibhakabhaka. The second says, "Enter his gates with thanksgiving and his courts with praise. Give thanks to him and praise his name." We are here to pray and praise his name. Because it's all night sidelile ingubo ezinhle kakhulu sizodumisa uNkulunkulu. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever. Let the redeemed of the Lord say so, whom he has redeemed from the hands of the foe. Othena kasindiswanga, hayi siyamvulela umnyango bakithi. Nxa kuvuma siyadiliza umduli, asihambele endlini ngoba thina sisindisiweyo. Namhlanje sizodumisa, sizoyibonga inkosi. I'll give thanks to the Lord because of his righteousness, and I'll sing praise to the name of the Lord, the Most High. Psalm 7, verses 17. Then my favorite is from Isaiah chapter 65. Open up chapter 65, verse is 24. I know it by heart since I was 9 years old, but I'll read it. Verses 24. "And it shall come to pass that before they call, I will answer. And while they are yet speaking, I will hear. Zvino ndichapindura vasati vadana, ndichanzwa vachitaura." This is the reason why we are here. The Lord has already answered our prayers. And mina ngilokukholwa okukhulu kakhulu ukuthi the Lord answered. Siqalisa unyaka we-19 eyathi sizaba lama-youth efforts. And I am sure each one of us prayed for the efforts. The Lord answered. The 2 weeks has been a success. Besingela mali, besingela mandla ukubana konke izinto zenzeke. But because we asked ukuthi uNkulunkulu asithungamele, because we prayed for the success of the effort ebesilayo for 2 weeks, sacela ukukhona kukaNkulunkulu, he answered. I-effort yethu yaphumelela, konke kwaba kuhle, udumo lwaya kuye. Because we prayed ukubana lapho esihamba sihlanyela khona, lapho esiwitnessa khona, uNkulunkulu inhlanyelo yakhe esina sihamba sihlanyela. Ugoyi therefore kaNkulunkulu engabi nguweze. Namhla sibhabhathizile bazalwane. Kuyabongeka kakhulu njalo siyadumisa kuNkulunkulu. Ngalokho sicela abahlabeli besilide into prayer. Sinika udumo kuNkulunkulu ukuthi i2 weeks lezi sibonile ukukhona kukaNkulunkulu. Sizobonga, sizodumisa ngalesi isikhathi. Akulokunye singakwenza ngaphandle kokuthi sibonge njalo sidumise inkosi ngokubana i-effort yethu iphumelele ngendlela uNdima ebehlele ngayo lezulu. Eqalisa ukusinika umbono ukubana sibe le 2 weeks effort. Ngiyabonga sicela lisilide, then ubhuti umkhululi uza kusikhulekela.
Number 89. Kumnandi ekupheleni sisindiswe ngoJesu yakhuleka. Amen.